What is up, guys? Kevin Gaines Healthy Ways, and back at you with the daily 3-minute workout. And I thought I was going to the Forest Preserve, but I'm here at a horse ranch, so I'm gonna get it in while I got the lights here. So let's get it, guys. 3 minutes. We'll start with some jumping jacks to get warmed up. Hope you guys are having a great day. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right, Benny and Carl are here with me, so let's get it. All right, toe taps to the side. Y'all know the drill. We're really engaging the core here, guys. With our legs are super important to get going. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna hit some push-ups. We're hitting it all today. We're getting it all. If you guys need to, we're going to the knees. Some push-ups on the knees. What's up, Carl? We're gonna get some push-ups in. Carl, Benny's up in the video. All right, guys, high knees. Engage those abs. Engage those abs and breathe. All right, guys, I want you to hop to the right and hop to the left and kind of bob with it. We're gonna stay active. All right, guys. Straight to the fun. We're gonna do some burpees. I know we haven't done these on the channels yet, but we're doing burpees. They don't like it. Hey, they don't like the burpees. But y'all do. Let's go. Come on, guys, y'all doing great. Alright, guys, here we go. We're gonna go straight to the lunges. Lunges. Hey. Alright, guys, pop them out real quick. We got a minute. Y'all got kids, y'all got dogs. We all got busy lives. Y'all finish this last minute playing with your dogs. Come here. Come here. Y'all say what's up to the people. This is the 3rd clip, 4th clip, 20th clip. Come on. Alright, guys, we got 22 seconds left. I'm sorry for the interruptions, but we gotta get it. Push-ups for the last little bit. 20 seconds left. Come on. Four. That beeper's going off, but we're not done. Carl interrupted the whole workout. So we're starting over. Let's go high knees. Let's go. Come on, high knees. Get them knees up. Let's go. We're not stopping yet. Carl, you crazy. Let's go. Push-ups. And great job, guys. Hope you guys have a great night.